Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasyapi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Watlana kaliang ke Sarkar Meghalaya, lengba ke Kanhon High Level Committee, kala betangi ke jing petha ik jai ben reo Harijan, ki basyong basa ha Harijan koloni hatem yo Maulong Shillong. Bakin penbiang yang ikut kislah ban pentikna bagi dai kinong susnong bapura jong kari India bat kum kinong trai hakitnat baper jong ke Sarkar Jilla Meghalaya. Handai kum bakalong hadu mentah hite om baro na kini kinong susnong hatem yo Maulong ki bala pendap ya kani ke jing petha jong ke Sarkar. Keba ke jing aipor kan kot no tek hadin sibnai kata haka laitrek mentau naitung arajakat khandai. Haka jing kendo bat ke Batisi TV haka artrek mentau benai naitung arajakat khandai. Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejela haka jo kapor ubakli ru ya ke High Level Committee. Uba Preston tensong ula beteng ke jing kentu ki breu ki basyong basa hatem yo Maulong. Bakin nyetrelang bak ke Shillong Municipal Board ban board ya ke jing petha jong ke Sarkar ban penbiang ya ki kot kisla jong ki. Nalor kene uba Preston tensong ula kentu ru ya ki bakin sange si sendon. Kajinglet jongki syaka yang syari ban nyele persya ya ke Sarkar Henry kidai ban penbet penbiang ikot kisla bat ban emsok rengkat bat kiwai pat kejai ben reu ha pedang kejingsok namar ke Sarkar Meghalaya kadang persyang ban penbet penbiang ya kene kam da kelenti ke bajajai om kum kiwai pat ki Sarkar jong kiwai pat kejela ha ke basi sien balarai kanu ke Sarkar kam ju ngap syu yanu yunuru
hi lon de kata ke hi kenika ke direction ke bawan na Honorable High Court ngang pi not necessarily when on baksan ka jingle jung ngai kanu ka baksan ko long bangile ko de namar ya every citizen be it in the state or in the nation as a whole we have every right to ask them to furnish all the details information of their own family members household members or whatever okay but these people instead of doing that, kilet syakut, kilet syane, kilet syatai, ban bu pressure ya ke government, they are exempted from that, which is absolutely illegal. They can't do that. Another time and again, I request them, don't engage yourself. Don't engage yourself by going here and there. Government is here. Government is not your enemy. In fact, government is your protector. We are here to protect their safety, and then not only their safety, we can live here in Meghalaya as brothers and sisters. Kata-kata begitu. Dan saya mengapi ni dekam dengan yok lut ikut Islam nama hantai ke pasah dengan mengapi kami desu ke Jakarta kade ke Islam. Te lada pikiran ni kisah hakiwi kuwi ni jelam betul. Hakiwi kuwi ni jelam itu mong hiban ni kere. Lalu government telah decide pada kita kamu cuma kelaju penhati. Memang ni ni dalam linian untuk kata. Ni dekwa ban request lagi, ban kerpat lagi kita. Tengok api, nak kata, habis kita, I can't say anything. I have nothing to comment on this. Then mereka pensisama, what ke judiciary, ke pensken ni kene, but yes, you are bound to furnish your details. Each and every house who stay there, they need to furnish. Yes, they may say that. That's what I'm telling you. Then now, but the court came out very heavy on them by saying that you have to do it. Now I'm sure they understand this groundly. Now, not only in Meghalaya, anywhere you stay, any part of India, hakan ono state, hakan ono union territories. Kundo kalau belum berpin susah lebih, kerja di kota Islam. Abang ini om mentah desu tangi ki employees dong. Namar ki employees dong ini nggak detik lepas. Then we talking about those people who does not work in any government offices. But how do we know what pramakir nak kita? What pramakir kimi tu? Telong dehenta mengopi kini ki bangga mat snow berada di dalam. But ngakerpa once again, as long as they have time, they have to do this. Otherwise, kebangai sumut berong kelong berway. It is good, but can shift by themselves. Kebangai berong kelong di commission, dan board di commission. That is their views on it. It's only a recommendation. Ultimately, it is up to the government. We are not going to throw them out. Right from day one. We are here not to throw them out, not to treat them as animals. They are human beings like us. They are our own brothers, sisters. So when we started doing inventarization, as I said to you, it is for their own safety, their own interest. They need to understand that. That is the reality. But those people who does not have papers, who does not have proper papers, because it seems those who does not have a proper documents, they are the one who influence even to those people who are genuine settlers. So I request those who does not, it is good, it is as good as I should say, leave the place. Find out alternative. If you have a better place, please shift it. If you don't have a better place also, be ready to have a better place or to shift it from that location.